Hey guys, and welcome into today's video. My name is Jason, and today we are going to be talking about one of our favorite stocks on our channel, which is our beautiful NIO baby stock, because NIO has recently been on an uptrend, and if we come onto the charts, you guys can see that we were in a downward position. We have now broke through this downtrend. As you can see, I've drawn on here, and we are now starting to trend up in a bullish trend. So we have some very exciting information that I want to get out about NIO. We have some new analyst price targets for NIO, and we do also have some absolutely fascinating news that is going to allow NIO to propel forward in 2022, because we have some really major catalysts coming up that we are going to be talking about in this video. So if you are someone that is interested in NIO stock, then it is a channel favorite of ours, and we like to cover news on NIO every single week. So make sure to go down there, guys, and smash that like button for me, and also hit that big red subscribe button, and welcome to this family of investors. That way you will stay up to date on all of your favorite stocks, and you will get your coverage on NIO every single week. So guys, I want to start by talking about an article from the Motley Fool, because they are saying, where will NIO be in 5 years from now? Now, the Chinese electrical vehicle manufacturer looks poised to grow in the long term, and they are saying that Motley Fool issues a rare all-in buy alert. So they are saying that this is an extremely strong buy right now, and the reasons why is because NIO has grown its sales impressively in the last few years. The company should benefit from strong EV demand in China and globally, which is another issue I want to talk about, because right now we are now expanding into Norway. So now with the Norway expansion, it's going to cost them, but in the long term, that is going to position NIO into some fantastic opportunities. Now, several EV companies as well as legacy automakers are trying to capture a share of the growing EV market. And they are also saying that the impressive sales growth of NIO and its third quarter had nearly 25,000 vehicles. So we had 24,500 almost 1,000 vehicles that were sold in the third quarter, which represents 100% growth over the company's quarters a year ago from today. Now, if we come onto the NIO website, you guys know also that we have the NIO ET7, which is going to be ready in 2022. This is poised to begin its manufacturing and production in January. So again, we have some brand new catalysts coming out for NIO in 3 months' time, guys. So all we've got to do is get through these next 3 months, and NIO are going to see themselves into a stronger position, because they are going to be producing this luxury vehicle right here. And that is going to allow NIO to push forward with those revenues, and it is going to see them to become more profitable in the future. And we have to look at the Q3 earnings. I did go through a full in-depth video, so if you would like to see that video, then be sure to click the link above now. I will link it. It is a video, guys, that I would absolutely love you to watch. If you haven't seen it, don't miss out, because I do go through this in depth and how NIO are growing so aggressively right now compared to so many companies on the market. And right now, like I said, we have seen a bottom for the NIO stock around that $33 to $34 price range, where we have tested down several times before, and this seems to be the bottom of the stock. We have very, very strong support here, which means, guys, that we are going to start to see an uptrend. Now, if we come onto the price targets for NIO before we go and do some technical drawings, we can also see that based on 8 Wall Street analysts, we are offering 12-month price targets for NIO, and in the last 3 months, the average price target for NIO is $60.26, with a high forecast of $72 and the low forecast of $45. Now, guys, this represents a 50% upside in the median price over the next 12 months from its current share price today, which is around that $38, $39 price mark. And if we come onto tip ranks, guys, you can see that again, 8 analysts have this as a strong buy. So there is no holds, there is no sells, and this is a strong buy. So right now, I think that this is a perfect position to really start to capitalize and get those shares for the long term, because again, NIO is only going to become more profitable over the next few years as they have that partnership with JAC Motors. We are now going to be expanding globally into Europe, and we have now got a new facility where they are going to be doubling their manufacturing every single year. And there is a brand new article out as well by Yahoo Finance saying why NIO stock looks set for a trip north this quarter. So again, we have continual catalysts, we have continual news and press, again, that NIO is in a positive position, and again, it is set to grow forward and expand globally. So this is why we are in a perfect position right now to capitalize on this moving forward, because this is a perfect place to load the boats, because once we do see those all-time highs again in the next 12 months, we are going to see those price targets hit in, my belief, $65. Now guys, this will represent roughly about a 70% upside from the current share price, and if you would like to be someone that is interested in knowing when to buy into the stock, then be sure to join the link to the private Patreon below. I do have a Discord and Patreon community, guys, and this year we have been absolutely smashing it over on the Patreon. We have seen about 9 or 10 stocks in the last 6 months that have gone up anywhere between 40 and 100%. So we have been doing extremely well, and again, I do alert all of my patrons every single time that we do a buy and sell order. And on Friday we did in fact buy into a brand new stock, a stock that does have 200% upside over the long term, guys, and we can do some absolutely amazing things, because this stock right now is actually down from its all-time highs about 60 to 70%. So guys, if you would like to know, like I said, any more information, then be sure to check out the link below in the description. But right now, like I said, NIO is trending at $38, and we are going to do a quick technical update, because I like to teach you guys on this channel, like I said, about all of those technicals. And if you would like any more tips, then be sure to go down there and smash that subscribe button. So we can see, guys, that down here there is a small gap, and 90% of the time gaps get filled. So I would expect at some point NIO to come back down, refill this gap as a layer of support, and then push back off. Whether this is going to happen in the next few weeks or whether this will happen over the long term, again, we will have to wait and see. But what I do love about the technical setup right now is the fact that we are now above the 21-day moving average, which is this thin yellow line, and we are also above the 50-day moving average, which is this thick yellow line. We are now positioned above the 50 on the RSI, so this always goes to show me, guys, that we are now in bull territory. We have now broken from a downtrend. As you can see, this was the downtrend that NIO was trending down, and we can see that because it has tested down here several times before, and then it did in fact break through that downtrend, and we are now trending upwards in a more bullish divergence. So as soon as we cross over that 200-day moving average and the 100-day moving averages, this is going to show me that we are in a really good place for NIO stock moving forward. Right now we are using that 100-day and 200-day moving averages as a area of resistance, but once we do in fact break above that, that is when we can expect NIO to retest those all-time highs of anywhere between 55, and then if we break through this layer of resistance, the all-time high of about $60 to $65. So I am looking to capitalize on this right now. I have my position built out in full, and over the last few months, guys, we have seen NIO at a really appropriate price to really start to engage and capitalize on this stock, because we are not going to get opportunities like this in the future where NIO is in fact at those lows of around $30 to $34. Now, I really do love NIO for the long term, and like I said, I agree with all of the analyst price predictions, because I see that this stock does have absolutely enormous room to grow. And again, if you look at this, they are saying that the high estimate is for a $72 return on NIO over the long term. So that, guys, would represent about 90% increase in the share price from its current position that it's at today. So if you are someone, like I said, that is interested in finding out more information on this, then be sure to go down there, smash that like button and smash the subscribe button. Welcome to this channel of investors. I absolutely love getting news and information out like this for you guys, and I would love to hear all of your thoughts in the comments about how you see NIO. Where do you see NIO growing in the next 5 years, and do you agree with this article with Motley Fool and of course Yahoo Finance? And what is your price prediction for NIO over the next 12 months? I would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments below. Like I said, my name is Jason, guys. Have a fantastic week ahead. Tomorrow is Monday, and I can't wait to get more updates out for you guys on some of our channel favorites like NIO and ALPP. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video today. I will link a separate video above now. If you have not seen it, go and check it out, guys, because there's some fantastic opportunities in the market right now, and some of our favorite blue chip dividend stocks are in fact down about 20% from their all-time highs. And if you would like information as to how I plan to capitalize on this with price targets over the next 12 months, then like I said, be sure to check out that link below. So guys, have a fantastic week ahead, and I look forward to seeing you back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Stay safe, guys. Ciao.